Right guys, this is take two. We're in Conception Grande in Naga City, Camarines Sur, and I want to try and get my friend some more customers. He's doing very well, him and his wife. It's one of these where his wife says, darling, I want to be a little bit more independent. Can we open this business? And of course, Dave being the guy he is, he's a lovely guy by the way. He said yes, so they've opened a food business. Now, I'll say straight away, if you're gonna open a business for your girlfriend, wife, whatever, a food business is a better idea than a sari sari store. Because a sari sari store, you're gonna be, it's like you'll have holes in your pockets. Your hand's never gonna be out of your pocket. Whereas a food business, at least there's a good chance that business is going to do well, and this business has been going 9 months. It's doing very well. As you can see, it's in Grande Homes. It's not right in where the homes are, it's just at the beginning. There's an LCC here on the main road. You've got a fuel station, JCT Oil, and it's just here guys. There's somewhere to park your car. And
hey buddy,
excuse me, I'm trying to do a video.
You're looking for some good food?
Well, I wasn't particularly looking for food, but yeah, you got my attention.
Come this way, buddy.
Oh, cool. Anyway, this is Dave, and me and him get on because we've got a similar sense of humour. I don't think he'll agree once the camera's off.
No.
But we've got a similar sense of humour.
Yeah.
It's just like my friend Adrian from the UK. I can basically say anything to him.
Anything.
That's not malicious, of course.
No.
And he will always take it as a bit of fun.
Yeah. Unless you put down Australians.
Yeah. I mean, you know, he's Australian, but I won't hold it against him. Okay.
No.
So, what you got to remember as well about the Filipinos, their humour. Hello. Their humour is not the same as our humour.
No,
and
it's not.
That's when they can understand actually what you're saying.
Yes.
So
watch out for low ledges too.
Here it is.
Oh, this is Tmonster.
It's called Tmonster, and it sells all kinds of tacos and French fries.
Yes. What's the food like, sir? Is it good? It's good. Thumbs up.
Cheesy fries. Oh, they have a lot of custom. I'm not kidding, guys.
Yeah.
This is only because they'd like a bit extra, not because they're struggling. Yeah. Trust me, it's not.
Yeah, it's all here. Tacos, you've got your fries, your Hungarian sausage overload, and it's all quality food too.
Yeah, and it's all big portions, guys.
Yeah,
big portions.
It is.
Now, I'm going to try it. I wouldn't normally eat this food because, as you know, I'm training and
that's right.
I want to get my body perfect.
Yes.
And if I keep eating this, I'm going to go back to the old Chris.
But of course, you can keep eating this. It's fine.
Oh yeah. I mean, I'm only saying, you know, you can't train and get muscle and what.
If you have some of this, you'll be back.
Yeah, you'll keep coming back for more.
That's it. Well, we really should. You being the judge of it, we'll get you a mango drink and also maybe a taco as well. Yeah. And you can grab a seat while you can grab a seat, and we'll organise that and we'll see what you think of it. Honest opinion too, by the way, Chris.
I've only just been able to sit down, by the way, you guys.
Yeah,
it's been full again.
Yeah, exactly. So grab a seat, sir, and I'll grab your goodies.
So look at this, guys. This is
the fries.
The fries.
Okay.
Everything's fresh. The food is fresh every day. Cooking's fresh.
Tacos for you, sir.
Thank you so much.
If you only want to eat one, that's fine.
The staff that are so kind, and they even laugh at my jokes.
Yeah, they're very well trained staff because I didn't train them. That's why.
They're very well trained because they laugh at jokes even if they don't understand. Isn't that correct? Yeah, there you go.
Here we go. Just Chris's muscly arm there. There we go into the taco.
This is very nice.
It is, isn't it? It is.
Honestly, you will say that. No, I'm not saying it. I don't eat stuff like this normally, but this is nice.
No, it is very nice. That's the taco there, beautiful, the beef taco. It's got the corn in there, it's got the lettuce in there, and of course local produce as well. Very, very nice. And of course the mango.
And we got
what are these mangoes called? Mango what?
Tapioca.
Mango tapioca. Mango tapioca. What do you think of the mango tapiocas?
Good.
They're good, yeah, they're good. They're yummy.
Nearly finished, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Really nice.
Well, you better hurry up, Chris, because you've got the mango.
Yeah.
Yes, the mango.
Do you know what? This is the first real food I've had in a long time.
Well,
Really is.
probably looking at you, you know, you've lost all this weight. Probably the first bit of food you've actually had in a while.
Yeah, it is. It is. I'm eating all kinds of protein, but not real, you know, proper food.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's yummy. Masarap. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Taste test from Chris.
Wow.
Yeah, good, hey? It's real good.
Oh.
It's Tmonster, it's real good.
Yeah, it is.
Blatant
See,
plug again.
Something else I don't have, guys. Normally, I don't. Even if I could, I wouldn't have one of these. But this is thick.
Yeah.
It's not watery.
Yeah,
It's really
no, it's not.
nice.
It's good.
It's really nice.
Well, enjoy it because that's how you're being paid once again, Chris, for this.
Oh, sorry.
Look at that. It's very nice. And again, guys, all this food is, I mean, it goes without saying, but I just have to say it. These wraps are beautiful. And it's done quick. And look, she's got some more customers. Keep everything clean. Which, you know, guys, a lot of foreigners say it regular about they won't eat off street stores because the cleanliness, you know, they don't think the hygiene's good. But I can't speak for all small stores, but I can speak for this. It's beautifully clean, really nice, really nice. The sausage is Hungarian sausage. Look at that, with loads of cheese in the big portions, mate. The big portions. So get yourself here. She's open from 2 o'clock till 7 o'clock in the evening.
Yep.
And it's well worth a detour if you're not quite in the right place. It's worth a detour. So I hope
Easy to
you've
find.
enjoyed
Plenty
this.
of parking.
Yeah.
There's a song. He'll do the parking for you. We've got a parking attendant.
Yeah.
Hey, song.
No. So, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Until the next one, please subscribe. You know the rest. And thanks,
team.
thanks
Team
to
Monster.
my friend Dave. And you never know, you might meet Dave if you come down. You'll certainly meet his
Could you be that
lovely
lucky?
wife. Well, I'm sure he could be like. Dave's one of the better foreigners, guys. Trust me. See you on the next one, guys.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Done.
Please subscribe.